What is going on, everybody? DJ Mines here. I'm really excited to say that I got these rigs online once again. Almost all of them are online, but not quite. But anyways, I am now mining what is called CLORE. Now this is using a ProgPal similar to Ravencoin or Neoxa, so it is definitely using a lot more wattage than what you're used to. But I have to say, you know what? I have all these AMD rigs. Like here's an AMD rig, that's an AMD rig, and I want to say the two in the middle are an AMD rig. So what else am I going to do with them? I think it's a great opportunity. Now let's come look over here at this rig. This currently has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 GPUs. All of them are 6600 XTs except for this far left one, which is a 5700 XT. And I gotta say, man, this thing is really killing it. So if we come over here to the Octo Miner, yes, all 5700 XTs. I've got about 28 to 30 5700 XTs that I need to get online. I currently have, I want to say maybe 16-ish that are online, but we'll get the rest of those bad boys online. But yeah, so far CLORE is pretty cool. So let's go head over to the computer. I'm just going to talk about why I'm mining CLORE. And I do want to be very clear in this video. This is not sponsored. I have no affiliation with CLORE. You know, you can mine it, you cannot mine it. I just want to show people what my mining strategy is. And I'm always trying to figure out more AI plays. And let's go look at the computer. We talk about what they're saying for AI. All right, so now that we are at the computer, I just wanted to say I'm not the first person to talk about CLORE. Max Voltage tipped me off, and he didn't even mine it. And he said it was an AI play. He knows I love my AI plays. I think AI plays are going to be huge in 2024 and 2025. Mark my words, you will see, even if it's not CLORE, I think AI is going to be huge, especially even in the crypto space. So if we look at blockchain.clore.ai, I'll put a link in this description below. It says, hi, I'm CLORE Blockchain, a native currency of clore.ai marketplace. The marketplace here, I will also put a link in the description below. The marketplace looks fantastic. I can't speak on if it's legit or not, but it's the most, legit website that they have at the current time. So I do think it looks really good for a startup. I won't bore you with the details over here, but here's some of the details of what they plan on doing. Q1, they're going to start tree planting. Q2, 2023, platform scaling and growth. We will work on code efficiencies so the platform can allow more providers to join our future marketing activity. So what does that really mean? Honestly, nothing to me. It really doesn't mean much at all, to be honest with you. But hey, it's worth a shot because there's a lot of poo-poo coins out there. And I think this one at least has a decent story behind it. And it kind of goes right here where it says, so what is my purpose? Like, why are they here? Why are they in existence? CLORE Blockchain is here to reward computing power providers on CLORE AI Marketplace. That's the website I just showed you. Providers will be earning CLORE Blockchain when they successfully rent their machines on clore.ai alongside with the Bitcoins paid for the customers for the computing power. Again, AI, I like hearing that. You're giving up the computing power towards AI because I've always thought, or have recently thought at least, like, dang, can our GPUs fight against what NVIDIA is releasing? I don't know, right? So in some way, I would love to hear more from this. I'm not an expert on clore.ai. I'm just a miner who found a new proof of work coin, and I'm interested in hearing more. I'd love to hear more from them, how it really works. There's not a lot of information on the website, so do keep that in mind. If you scroll to the very bottom here, this is actually the wallet that I'm using. I'm using the Windows one. It's been working great. Set up on Hive. I even set up one over there on Windows. But I mean, that's been what I've been using so far. Now, let's talk about profitability. I want to look up 14 cents because that's what I'm at. 14 cents is not a good electric rate by any means. Keep in mind, guys, at the making of this video, it's 9 p.m. on 4/19, not 4/20. The evening before, Bitcoin has just been going down, and everything's going down in the markets, and we're still either profitable or just losing a tad, even with that ProgPal algorithm or Kapow algorithm. So I think it's a pretty decent one for me. So I'm using 5700 XTs, and even at 5700 XT, it says I'm making 2 cents per GPU. I was kind of covering up. 2 cents per GPU. Now, please keep in mind, when I first started making this video, probably like 2 hours ago, it was about 10 cents. Again, this is really the market. Don't get too caught up in this, in my personal opinion. Who really cares if I'm making 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents? That's not what I'm looking at, right? I'm not trying to think like how many pennies can I make. If I look at my 6600 XTs, again at 14 cents, guys, if you have 10 cents, 8 cents, it's actually rather profitable for you. We're making 5 cents per GPU. And that is pretty impressive with Bitcoin going down so much. Here's one of my rigs for CLORE. You know what? You can actually get the wattage fairly low. This 5700 XTs. I mean, I'm at around 110, 113 watts. So it's nothing crazy. You don't have to be scared of 130, 150 watts. You could do that. And I do want to give a special shout out to my boy Rondi, because without Rondi, man, a lot of these coins that I've been doing, I know it's the same for Chump Change, would be a lot more difficult. And he's that guy, man. He knows how to do it. So I'll just quickly show you this. This isn't really a how-to. If you want to see a full how-to video, you can do that. But I got CLORE, got my CLORE wallet, which I just showed you how I did that. Configure in Miner, because you're going to have to do that at least at this current moment. And then I went to Team Red Miner. Again, Rondi really did most of this, to be honest with you. Going to the config here, Kapow, here, pretty normal here, worker name X. This is the pool that I'm running. And I mean, it was kind of that simple. It's really not bad at all. There wasn't much to it. There's no second coin or anything. Pretty straightforward and pretty to the point. Here's some of the pools for CLORE. I'm currently on RP Plant, and the hash rate has certainly been going up ever since that Misfit mining. I was on it last week, and people were trolling like, DJ, aren't you on CLORE? DJ, aren't you on CLORE? And I'm like, oh my God, guys, I didn't even get to mine it yet. And the word just spread. You know what I mean? So people are definitely jumping on CLORE, but not a lot of people know about CLORE at the same time. Right here in the top right, I don't know if you can see that. It says CLORE is up 67% in the last 7 days. It's at over a penny now, and that's pretty impressive. So I am on RP Plant. 50% of the hash rate is on that. I didn't even think about it at the time. Obviously you want to spread that hash rate out, but more and more people are going on. I would definitely consider it, because we've seen pretty much every single proof of work coin go up. Pretty much. Not everyone, but almost everyone, man. They all started new recently. You're seeing your Caspas of the world. You've seen your Neoxa pumps, your Meow coin, your Nexa, your Dynex. I'm sure this Ironfish thing is going to pump unless the market just goes to crap. Flux had a nice little push up. Ergos had a nice little push up. Raptorm, like literally everything you can think of has been going up and up, and now it's going down just because Bitcoin is going down. But we're seeing major gains, 5x's, 10x's. I don't see any reason why long term, I have no idea what the short term will be for CLORE, but I don't see any reason long term why we won't see some decent profitability if we hold on to CLORE before everyone knows about it, before everybody's talking about it. Like I said, guys, technology is changing. Things are moving in a different direction. Will CLORE be that thing? Will CLORE be the next big thing? Honestly, I have no idea. I guess statistically the answer would be no, but I do think it's worth finding out. Avion, which was Raven Coin Light, had a major pump and nobody believed in it. Like all these coins that you're seeing right now, right? I mean, Alephium's been going nuts. Like everything's just been going nuts. Everybody thought at one point, is this a rogue pool? I mean, you always hear that in the community. Looks like a rogue pool to me. That's what they say about everything, man. And again, it really could be. I have no idea, but I think certainly it's worth a risk compared to a lot of other projects that do come out. Just the AI play sounds good to me. Render, which is not proof of work, something I've been trading on Coinbase, talks about AI. That's also something that I'm interested in. So let me know in the comment section below. Are you looking forward into the future like I am with anything talking about AI? Are you really just strictly, old school, pretty much fast transactions? That's about it. And it's a really solid crypto kind of deal. So if you like this video, please do hit a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We want to get to 12,000 subscribers. I know it's tough to do in a bear market, but I know we can. Please check out my links in the description below for Twitter and Discord, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. DJ Mines, signing out.